Hi everyone, I am Bandhan Patel. Welcome to our group presentation for the HI6037 assignment. Our team explored the Uluru goods dataset using Power BI. We analyzed sales and location data to answer 10 key questions and build 3 interactive dashboards. This helped us better understand business insight and improve our data visualization skills. We work with the two datasets, one containing detailed sales transaction and the other showing store location details. Using Power BI, we imported and cleaned the data, then created visual and dashboard to answer analytical questions. Our focus was on sales, discount, profit, location, and product trends. These are the 10 questions we answer using Power BI. They range from identifying maximum values like highest longitude or discount to exploring trends in sales, gross margin, and profit across different products, cities, and years. We use different charts and filter to answer each one effectively. For question 1, we look into location database to identify which store had the highest longitude value. In Power BI, we imported the data, created a table visual using the longitude and the state columns, and sorted in descending order. This helped us quickly spot the store with maximum longitude and the state it belonged to. For question 2, we focus on total gross margin in 2017. We use for bar chart where the state was set on the x-axis and a gross margin on the y-axis. We also applied a filter for the year 2070. This shows us which state contribute most to gross profit in the last year. For question 3, our goal was to find the store with the highest single discount. We use a column chart and the added store desk and discount instead of summarizing and the discount we selected maximum to find the top value. We also applied a top and filter to only display the top one store with the highest discount. In question 4, we checked for three cities that had the highest sales price in the 2017. We filtered the data for 2017 and use a bar chart with the city on x-axis and the sales price with max aggregation. This helped us identify Fort Collins as the top city with the highest individual sales. For question 5, we focus on a Fort Collins found in question 4. We filter data by city and year 2017, then use a bar chart to complete product by their sales price. We use max aggregation to see which products had the highest price and found it was nails. For question 6, we explored the same product nails across the different year. We use line chart where we place year on the x-axis and the sale price on the y-axis using a max again. This helps us find the year when nails had the highest original price. In question 7, we wanted to know which product category had the highest fixed price in the 2016. We use a donut chart with a filter for 2016 and the plotted product category and a fixed price using a sum or max. This gave a clear visual breakdown and helped us spot the top category. For question 8, we needed to identify the month of and year with the lowest gross margin. We use a line chart and extract month and year from the date field. Gross margin was plotted on the y-axis and we found that January 2017 had the lowest margin. In question 9, we started by checking the year with the lowest gross profit using a bar chart. Then we filtered the data set to the year and use a pie chart to compare gross profile by product. This helps us find the product with the lowest profit. For question 10, we did the opposite, found the year with the highest total gross profit, then identified the most profitable product with that year using another pie chart. This visual help us make a quick comparison and answer both questions clearly.
This dashboard gives a broad view of overall sales. We use the bar charts to show total sales by store, pie charts for product category sales share, and KPIs for total sales and total profit. A map visual help us locate stores graphically. We also added a slicer for year so user can view yearly performance easily. This dashboard gives a clean overview of how sales vary across stores, categories, and locations. This dashboard focused on discounts and pricing pattern. We included a scatter charts showing the relationship between discount and sales price and bar charts comparing average discount per category. A line chart displayed price trends over time and KPIs highlighted the highest discount and highest sell value. We added a slicer for product category so users can filter visual to specific items. This dashboard helps analyze how discounts affect prices and which categories offer more details. In this dashboard, we focused on profit analysis. We used a tree map to show gross profit by product, a pie chart for profit by city, and a table for top 5 highest and lowest profit items. We also included a clutter bar chart for profit trends over the year. A slicer lets user filter by year or city. This dashboard gives managers a clear view of where profit is coming from and which products or regions need attention. Some of our key findings includes Nails had the highest profit and sales price, Fort Collins had the highest city level sales in 2017, and 2016 was the most profitable year. We also found that January 2017 had the lowest gross margin. These insights were all visualized effectively through our dashboards. We choose visual carefully based on the type of data. Bar and column chart worked well for comparisons, pie charts for category breakdowns, and line graph for trends. We also use the slicer to allow user to interact with the data and filter by year, city, and a product category. We faced some challenges like deciding when the user max or sum, formatting visual, and applying filter like top and. However, through practice, we learned how to use Power BI more effectively and improved by understanding of data visualization and dashboard design. In conclusion, this project helped us answer 10 business questions and build 3 insightful dashboards. We developed strong Power BI skills and gained a better understanding of how to analyze and visualize real world business data. Thank you for listening.